I was looking for an extension cord to put on the bedside dresser of our spare bedroom that could rest on the top and act as a charging station for our guests. The reason is that the plug-in is located behind the spare bed, so I needed a flat end because I don't want to create a fire hazard with the bed pushing up against the regular end of an extension cord. So let me tell you, I was super happy to find exactly what I was looking for in this Tesson ultra thin extension cord. What's great about this extension cord is that it also doubles as a charging station. If you have the new iPhone 15, there's a USB-C connection to charge your phone in, as well as 2 other USB ports for your other devices. So besides it acting as an extension cord with 4 outlets, you can keep all your devices charging together at night. Now, to be fully transparent here, I ordered the 5-foot cord ahead of the 10-foot cord, thinking that I would have enough length from the wall to the top of the bedside dresser, and unfortunately, it was too short. So be sure you measure the length of the cord you need prior to ordering. With the additional length, I can fully mask the cord behind the bed and dresser, so all you see is the sleek base that sits on top of the dresser. So if you're looking for a modern day extension cord, one that lays flat against your wall and provides you with several outlets and connections to charge your devices, then look no further than the Tesson ultra thin extension cord.